My name is Daniel Shelby, and today we will be showing you how to make spaghetti. First step is to wash your hands. Second step is to dry them. Next we have to get a pot. Can you stop it? And next we have to fill the pot with water. Can you stop it? Do I do it with hot water?
No, you can put any kind of water.
Okay, done. So turn it on and make sure not to touch it when it's on. And always turn it off when you're done. Turn the stove off when you're done. And make sure you cook with an adult. So now that the water's boiling, we'll add in the spaghetti.
Be careful.
Do I crumble it up?
No.
Do I add more? Okay, so now the spaghetti noodles are on. Now we'll just wait for them to turn into spaghetti.
Joshua 1:9. Be strong and courageous. Do not be terrified. Do not be afraid. God is always with.
Now that the spaghetti is done, let's turn it off. Time to strain out the water. We like to put butter in the spaghetti so it doesn't stick together.
Okay, put it in.
So now that the spaghetti's ready, we'll just put it in our bowls and put what we want